Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Discord bot using discord.js version 14 in 2025. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head to my Discord server and go to the resources channel. And by the time this video is out, this embed will be updated. It will have the most recent package, which is the one we're going to be using in this video. You're going to click the link and you're going to download it. It's probably going to be a GitHub link, but I already have it downloaded, so we'll just head straight there. Alright, so assuming we have Visual Studio Code and Node.js installed, we are going to do cmd after we click on the search bar, and then we're going to do code space dot, which is going to bring you to Visual Studio Code. Once you get in, you should see some stuff like this. Your file should look like this. You can delete this .getignore file if you want. It is not required at all. So the first thing we're going to need to do is rename it example.json to config.json. And then after we do that, we are going to go to our browser. We're going to go to Discord developer page. And then we're going to go ahead and create a new application. I'm going to create mine on my team. I have to do a team. I'm just going to call it tutorial bot. You can create an app icon if you want. So typically you would need to grab the application ID, but with the custom made handler that we created, we do not need to do that. The only thing we need to do is go to bots and click on reset token, click yes, do it, and then authenticate however you would usually authenticate. And then once you authenticate, if you have 2FA enabled, your token should look something like this. You're going to click copy. Make sure you do not share this with anyone, and if you do accidentally, click reset token again. I'm going to reset my token after the video, and just paste it into this token part. Prefix is for our prefix commands right here. This is actually required. You don't need to make prefix commands, but you do need to fill this out. All this other stuff is completely optional. I go in depth onto what it means over here into the readme.md. You can read that later. But let's go ahead and create a simple command. We do actually already have some simple commands. We're just going to delete, we're just going to create a test command. We're going to do test.js. This is a prefix command. I'm going to show you how to make both a prefix and slash command. So with prefix, you can do module.exports. And we're going to do name. And then I'm just going to call mine test. This is going to be the name of your prefix command. So e.g. question mark your prefix and then test. So now that we're done with that, we're going to do comma. Then we're going to do async execute. We're going to do message, args, and clients. Then we're going to do message awaits, message dot reply, and then we're going to do contents, and then we're going to do the test worked. So now if we go into Discord, if we turn our bot on, that we do node space dot, you won't see these errors. It's just more errors on my part. Actually, this is an error that we're going to need to fix. We're going to need to do Control-C, clear. We're going to do npm I better -splight 3. And while we're at it, let's download all of the other packages, which is discord.js. We're going to do at 14.16.3, which is the best version of discord.js in my opinion. Then we're going to do... Actually, I believe that's it. So we're just going to click enter. Then we're going to do clear, and then we're going to do node space dot. And as you can see, we do have an error or two, which is fine because this one is just because we do not have any tables inside of our database file. This one is if you forgot to enable these three things. These three things are required. I forgot to tell you that earlier. So now for reset, we're only going to see that first error, and then we should be fine. Yeah. Log in, tutorial bot, or whatever your bot name is, the ID of the bot, and has connected to Midbase C5, which is the name of the package we are using. If you want to get rid of this, you can just go over to the Slight loader file, and then we're just gonna make this a comment, which is // if you restart, I will fix this error myself later when I actually post the package. So we're also going to show you how to make, actually, I do need to showcase the actual command. So once you created your bot, you're going to go back to the Discord developer portal. You're going to go to OAuth 2. You're going to click bot and application.commands. And then you're going to click administrator. You're going to copy this link and go into the Discord server you want to use your bot in. All right, so you can just send the link inside of the channel you want to invite the bot in. It doesn't matter what channel you send it in. I'm going to just confirm you're human or whatever. And then it should be in the server. So now let's see if it works. It should. I have another error in my code, but it's okay. All right, so if we do the prefix we made and then ping or test, as you can see, it says the test works. So now we are going to create a / command. We're going to do test.js, and then we're going to do, actually, since the bot is on, we do have file templates. I actually completely forgot about that. So it created a template for us. We can just edit this stuff. We're actually going to leave it as test, and we're going to leave everything here, since it already explains everything what to do. So con/command equals require discord.js, data new /command builder, .set name, the name, .set description, the description, etc. So now that that's that, we are going to restart Discord. Every time you make a new / command, you do need to restart Discord. So now we're going to do /test, and there's a lot of bots in the server, so we have to scroll through here a little bit. Also, every time you make a new / command, you do have to restart the terminal. Sometimes it will do that, so we're just going to do Control-C clear, and then do /. Again, and then we're going to restart Discord once more. Now we're going to do /test again. We're going to scroll down and try and find our command, and it's right here, /test, and we have our description. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, there we go. Now it says hello, and it's going to log that the command was used in the chat. And we're also going to showcase how to make an event. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this event real quick. So actually, we're gonna bring that back. We're gonna do a message create event. So we're gonna click new file, do message create.js. We're gonna do once again, it created a new file template. Whatever you make the name is whatever it's gonna fill in the name, the .set name, the event, etc. So we're gonna edit this part right here. We're gonna make it say, we're gonna message and then clients. We're gonna delete this comment right here. We're gonna do we're just gonna do const author equals message dot author. And we're gonna do awaits message dot, actually we're gonna do await author dot send, and then we're gonna do this is just DMing the person who sent the message. So we're just gonna do S, and we did get a DM. I don't quite know why it gave us this error, but it's okay. Yeah. So that's how you make an event. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this. This is an irrelevant folder. This was supposed to be deleted. Hot reload basically reloads every time it detects a change. If you know what node mod is, it's similar to that but better. Components are like listeners for when buttons are pressed. I can show you. These are buttons. Okay, so we're gonna do slash ping. We're gonna scroll through and find our command. Okay, there it is. We have two buttons here. Without these two files, without the buttons file, these buttons will just do absolutely nothing. But with them, you can make them say stuff and do stuff. We can see the latency of our bot. Pretty good latency. Sometimes it is buggy, as it's a very buggy feature. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this. I do not think there's anything else I need to showcase to you other than databases, but databases won't be used until future videos. So that's all I need to showcase to you. I will see you in the next video, which is coming very, very soon. Have a great day. Goodbye.